That's that UE, boy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Taylor or Dollie the Rebel here. So we're just going to jump right into this video. So I did use my Tayler Andrea Cosmetics eyebrow pomade in dark brown on my eyebrows, and I did start with the Louise base in Romer number 5. And for the palette today, we're using one palette. I'm using the Dose of Colors Desi X Katy Friendcation palette, and I'm using, I think, all three browns. There's like three. I want to say I started with Necessary. Then I am currently using, I believe this is, I think it's Churro. I'm gonna have everything listed in the description box because I forget the names, and they don't have the names on the inside of the palette. It's on the back, so it gets a little confusing, so I'll make sure I list those down for you guys as well. But it is 3 warm tone browns in that palette, and I'm just layering them and deepening the outer V and the crease, and I'm just packing on that darkest shade and blending that out and bringing that into my crease. And taking some Fix Plus, I'm going to spray that on my brush, and I'm using this shimmer shade in Just a Kiss, and this is like a champagne type of shimmer shade with some pink reflex, and I am just putting that into my lid, and I'm going to go back in with the darkest brown I use, and I'm just going to blend out any harsh lines. And I'm just taking my Givenchy felt tip eyeliner in Disturbia, and I'm just going to add a line. I'm not going to wing it out, just keep it really simple, and it's going to help me hide my eyelash band when I put my lashes on as well. Now I'm taking this Mary Kay eyeliner pencil, and I'm just going to eyeline my waterline as well as tightline underneath my upper lash line as well. We don't want any skin poking out through the lashes, and we just want to make sure, you know, everything is cohesive and beautiful. We are going to smoke out the bottom lash line as well. I think I cut that clip out. So yeah, just so everything is cohesive and no skin is poking out. Alright, and for my foundation, you guys, you already know, if you are a active viewer on my channel, I am using my Maybelline Foundation. I did skim through or fast forward through this process, but if you are a new viewer, I do have a more detailed video on how I apply my foundation and what I'm using, so I'll link that card above and just tap into that. But if you do have any questions, comment them down below. And I'm just going to use my Louise Rumor number 5 eyeshadow base as a concealer. Again, this is in a video in pretty much my foundation routine. So of course, make sure you guys either hit my channel and check out that video, or just hit the card above. And here I'm going to use my Beauty Bakerie flour powder in the color yellow. And I'm just going to set where I put the concealer or eyeshadow base on my face. And for my contour, I'm just going to use the Crayon Case Composition Notebook Palette. So I am not using the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm just using a powder foundation. And of course, I'm still contouring in the same spots: my cheekbone, jawline, forehead, and nose and chin. Of course, again, I do have a more detailed video on my channel. Make sure you guys check that out. I do have two, one using Kat Von D. It's a pretty old video, and the more recent one, so you guys can check out both of those. I'll link the older one as well if you want to see how Kat Von D's powders work as well. Now for lashes, I'm using a new type of lash by Hairfein, and it's in the style Rachel, and I use my Duo Lash Glue. And I did hit my face with some Morphe setting spray, and then going back into the Crayon Case Composition Notebook Palette, I am using the highlighter in Trophy Wife, and I'm just going to highlight my face. And for the lips, I'm going to use my Mary Kay lip liner in dark chocolate, and I'm going to use my Dose of Colors liquid lipstick called My Man. So for the lips, what I did here, I lined my lips and then I blended my lip liner out, just pressing and rubbing my lips together. And I'm going to take my lipstick brush and just use that and fade it together, fade the lipstick and the lip liner together. And then I kind of go back and forth with the lip liner and the liquid lipstick. It's a velvet matte liquid lipstick, and I love their formula because it's not super drying, so I'm able to layer on as much as I need without it getting like peeling or forming like a little ball. So I'm able to apply more lip liner, blend it out, apply more liquid lipstick, and just keep blending to my liking. So that's just pretty much my process here. And then I do apply my lashes off camera. Well, I filmed it, I just cut it out, and that is pretty much it for this look. Hit my face with a little bit more setting spray, and apply that dark brown eyeliner shade underneath my lash line just to add a little bit more depth and warmth under there too. But that is pretty much it for this video, you guys. I hope you like this look. I hope you like my wig. I did color this wig myself. I got it from one of my hair vendors. I know like the hairline looks a little crazy. I ended up cutting more lace off. I'm still learning like how far to cut my lace and stuff like that, so please don't drag me, girl. But you guys have a great rest of your day, and make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.